Have you ever wondered how your daily activities impact your mental well-being? Indeed, the state of our mental well-being is influenced by the daily choices we make, the habits we form, and the activities we engage in. Mental well-being is not just about avoiding mental health issues. It's about living in a state of balance and contentment, where you're able to manage life's ups and downs, build strong relationships, and lead a fulfilling life. Now imagine harnessing the power of creativity to enhance your mental well-being. Creative activities, brimming with the potential to engage, inspire, and heal, can play a pivotal role in this journey. From sketching a sunrise to baking a loaf of bread, these activities can help reduce stress, increase self-esteem, and promote overall mental health. So, ready to take your mental health into your own hands? To improve our mental well-being, we will explore some creative activities that can make a significant difference in our lives. Let's dive in. The first activity we'll delve into is art therapy. Art therapy isn't just about creating beautiful pieces of art. It's a method of self-expression, a way to communicate your feelings and thoughts without having to put them into words. Imagine a language that transcends the barriers of speech, where every color, every stroke, every shape holds a unique meaning. That's what art therapy is all about. Art therapy has its roots in the mid-20th century, when doctors noticed that individuals suffering from mental illness often express themselves in drawings and other artworks. Today, it's a widely recognized therapeutic practice that's used to help people of all ages explore their emotions, develop self-awareness, manage stress, and work on social skills. One of the most significant benefits of art therapy is its ability to help people express emotions that they might find hard to verbalize. It's a safe space, a canvas where you can let your feelings flow freely, without judgment or fear. It's like having a conversation with yourself, one where you're allowed to be as raw and as real as you like. Art therapy isn't just therapeutic, it's also a great stress buster. Imagine coming back from a long day at work, picking up a brush, and letting your creativity take over. You're not just creating art, you're creating a space for your mind to relax and rejuvenate. Studies have shown that engaging in creative activities like painting or sculpting can significantly reduce stress levels, improve concentration, and contribute to an overall sense of well-being. But the best part about art therapy is that you don't have to be an artist to benefit from it. You don't need to know how to draw a perfect circle or mix the right shades of color. All you need is a desire to express yourself, a willingness to explore your feelings, and the courage to face them head-on. So whether it's doodling in your notebook, painting a sunset, or creating a collage from old magazines, every form of art is a step towards better mental well-being. So, don't worry if you're not a Picasso, it's about expressing yourself, not creating a masterpiece. Scene script. Another activity that can uplift your spirits is gardening. Gardening is not only a fun and creative way to spend your time, but also a therapeutic activity that can do wonders for your mental well-being. It's a journey that starts with a seed or a young plant, and with a little patience and care, it blossoms into something beautiful. This process can be incredibly rewarding and fulfilling. Let's first talk about how gardening can help reduce anxiety. When you're gardening, your focus shifts from your worries and stressors to the task at hand. You become engrossed in nurturing a life, and this can be a calming and soothing experience. It's like a form of meditation where you're in the moment, not thinking about the past or the future, but just the present. Gardening also improves concentration. It requires attention to detail, whether it's pruning a plant, planting seeds at the right depth, or ensuring that your plants get the right amount of water and sunlight. This constant engagement with your plants can help sharpen your focus and concentration. Furthermore, gardening promotes a sense of achievement. When you see a plant you've cared for sprout a new leaf or bloom, it's an incredible feeling. It's a testament to your patience, perseverance, and care. It's a reminder that you can create and nurture life, and this can be a powerful boost to your self-esteem. Gardening also connects us to nature. Studies have shown that spending time in nature can improve mood, reduce feelings of stress and anger, and increase feelings of relaxation and positivity. And what's more natural than tending to plants and watching them grow? Lastly, gardening is an activity that can be tailored to your needs. If you have a large outdoor space, you can create a beautiful garden. But even if you live in an apartment, you can still enjoy the benefits of gardening with indoor plants or a small balcony garden. So even if you don't have a green thumb, tending to a plant might be just the therapy you need. Ever considered writing as a form of therapy? Let's explore. Writing in its various forms can be a powerful tool for mental well-being. It's a creative outlet that allows us to express our deepest thoughts, feelings, and experiences. From journaling and poetry to storytelling, writing can serve as a mirror to our minds, helping us see our thoughts and emotions more clearly. Imagine your mind as a bustling city. Thoughts are the city's inhabitants, each with a story to tell. Just as city dwellers need a platform to voice their narratives, so do our thoughts. Writing is that platform. It allows our thoughts to be heard, understood, and acknowledged. Journaling, for instance, is a form of writing that is akin to having a conversation with oneself. It's a safe space to pour out feelings and thoughts without judgment. It helps us understand our emotions better, track our mental health patterns, and gain insights into our behavior. Poetry, on the other hand, is the art of expressing emotions in a rhythmic and aesthetic manner. It's a form of writing that allows us to express our feelings in a creative and therapeutic way. It's not just about rhyming words, it's about painting a picture with words, expressing emotions that might otherwise be difficult to articulate. Storytelling is another form of writing that can be therapeutic. Crafting a narrative allows us to step out of our own shoes and into another's. It's a chance to explore different perspectives and gain empathy. It's not just about creating characters and plots, it's about understanding and expressing the human experience. The beauty of writing as a form of therapy is that you don't need to be a wordsmith or a literary genius. It's not about crafting the perfect sentence or using fancy words. It's about expressing yourself, organizing your thoughts, and gaining perspective. Remember, writing is not about being a best-selling author. It's about finding your voice and expressing your thoughts. Cooking or baking can be more than just preparing food. It can be an excellent creative outlet. Indeed, the kitchen can be a sanctuary of creativity and self-expression. When you're whisking eggs, stirring a pot, or kneading dough, it's not just about the physical actions. It's about the transformation that happens within you, just like the ingredients you're handling. Cooking and baking are therapeutic in nature. There is something incredibly soothing about the rhythmic stir of a spoon in a pot or the gentle knead of dough under your hands. The act of creating something from raw ingredients to a finished dish can help reduce stress and anxiety. It provides a sense of accomplishment, a tangible result that you can see, smell, taste, and share with others. This can be a powerful boost to self-esteem, especially on those days when you're feeling a bit down or overwhelmed. Cooking or baking encourages mindfulness, the practice of being fully present and engaged in the moment. When you're focused on measuring ingredients, following a recipe, or experimenting with flavors, there's little room for other worries or distractions. You're in the moment, fully absorbed in the task at hand. The smells, sounds, and tastes of the kitchen can ground you, bringing a sense of calm and focus. Moreover, cooking or baking allows for creativity and experimentation. It's an art form where you can play with different ingredients, techniques, and flavors to create something uniquely yours. This process of exploration and discovery can be incredibly rewarding, sparking joy and satisfaction. Finally, the act of sharing your culinary creations can foster a sense of connection and community. Food is a universal language, and when you share a meal or a baked treat, you're sharing a part of yourself. This can lead to deeper connections with others, nourishing not just the body but also the soul. So next time you're in the kitchen, remember it's not just about feeding your body, but also nourishing your mind. Let's recap what we've learned today about improving mental well-being. We've explored 4 creative activities, each with its unique benefits. Art therapy, as we've seen, can act as a non-verbal channel of communication and self-expression, aiding in stress relief and emotional balance. Gardening, on the other hand, connects us with nature, promoting relaxation and mindfulness. Moving on, writing has proven to be a powerful tool for self-discovery and personal growth, helping us articulate our thoughts and feelings. Finally, cooking or baking, often considered as edible art, not only nourishes our bodies but also our minds, encouraging focus and creativity. These activities, while fun and rewarding, also serve as effective strategies for improving mental well-being. But remember, there's no one-size-fits-all. It's about exploring and finding what resonates with you, what helps you unwind and brings you joy. Remember, mental well-being is a journey, not a destination. So take time to explore these creative activities and find what works best for you. Until next time, stay healthy and keep creating.